Welcome friends to another session of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. The past few sessions we have been learning about the various functions in Excel and a few tips and tricks to get the best out of Excel. Thanks for being with me. Please inform your colleagues, friends to subscribe so that they, you, me can all excel at work. In the previous session of XLookUp, we have seen that a single formula in XLookUp can return multiple values across multiple columns. The formula is XLookUp. We look up the value D10 in the column D2 to D9, return the values A2 to E9. So now go to the cell where the formula is entered and see the whole array is sort of highlighted. If you go to the next cell, you see that the formula here it is entered. You can edit this one, but once you move to the next cell, it's not editable. So you see what this contains is sort of lightly shaded off. That means this has no data, but this cell has result due to a formula entered in another cell. Even though it shows Ravi there, I can type here anything else and the whole thing goes haywire. So, and once you come out of the array result, as long as within result the whole thing is highlighted, see there is a sort of a glow across the whole thing. Once you come out of that, it's normal. You can use the result here of say B11 or C11, D11 or E11 and some other result. For example, if I say just is equal to B11, I get Ravi. If I want the first name and the last name one single cell, I just say B11 and C11, I get Ravi Nakka, get a space in between, get Ravi Nakka. So I can do all operations of the result of this formula, but I can't edit the formula in the individual cell except in the cell where the formula is actually entered. If I do some editing here, I find there's nothing to edit here. See, there's nothing to edit. It's a blank cell. So, keep this in mind. When you entered Excel formula with the result of an array, you can edit only in the cell where the formula was entered. Well, this is one thing. Let us go back to its original. I would say that we took upon this as the first name, that is we wanted in the B2 to B9. Now see everything else here disappears. So now I'll put this in the same column of the first name. And now government service. Now we ask for a profession called private practice. Who's in private practice? This NA result comes. So I can customize my error result with the first optional argument of if not found. So if the data which I am looking up is not found in the result, I can message here, please check in the data. So rather than giving a NA error, we did this with a combination of is error in the VLOOKUP in one of our previous sessions. Please look it up. It's there in the about box below. So when I use the first option of please check the data, if there is no match with what I'm asking, use the error, please check the data. So this can be customized whatever you want. Practice is PITC, or you will tell just when you know you're typing for the profession, you say profession not found, or simply I look out something wrong. If I say again engineer, I get Uma. Professor, I get Radhakrishnan, but or something else, I get wrong value. Hope you have learned something new or refreshed what you already know. Please subscribe and share this with your peers, friends and colleagues to help them, you and me to excel at work. Thank you for watching.